Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rosanne and you're here because... yes, because it's calendar time and we are going to figure out what number is in between the number 19 and this number, which is 21. Something's hiding under the yellow question mark and we're here together to solve that mystery. Are you ready? Before we count the calendar numbers, can we sing a song together? That's right, I would like to say hello first. Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, 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 tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hello everyone, let's begin! I'm going to use this brown wooden stick to point to my calendar right behind me. Now it's time to count how many days have passed this month of April, the year 2021. We will start counting from the first number found on our chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and after 19 comes 20. 20 is the number that we are looking for. I will take the yellow card away to reveal the number in between 19 and 21. And just like you counted, it is the number 20. Let's place 20 where it belongs today. It belongs in between April and 2021. Lift the finger up in the air. I will trace but erase the number 20. You guys at home can trace along with me. Here we go. We are going to go around, down diagonally, and then out to the right. Because I did that, I was able to erase number 2 from the number 20, and you were able to write it down by tracing it. Now let's trace and erase 0. There, my friends. 2 on the left and the 0 on the right made 20. But now it's gone. It has disappeared from sight. Yesterday, we counted red buttons. Today, we are counting what color? We are counting blue ones. And I'm going to place them inside an empty container until I reach or I hear myself counting to 20. Please count along with me. Loud and clear, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? They're inside. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There! We've counted to 20. And remember, in order to count up to 20, you stop at 20. I've got 20 buttons inside this container right now. Were you able to count along with me? What day of the week does 20 fall under? Let's go check our clue. Ooh, it's the letter T. Letter T sounds this way. T. And it represents this card over here. This card has the letter T on it, and it represents the day of the week we are looking for. Let's sing the Days of the Week song now and figure that one out together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The day of the week that we are looking for is Tuesday. It's now time to shift this card's position. Yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Today is April 20, 2021, and it is a Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed our April 20, 2021 Tuesday calendar time. I will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone! Thank you for watching Teacher Rosanne
And Starlettah.
We hope that you
Subscribe and like our channel. Remember, your comments and suggestions will be so helpful so that we can do better each and every time when it's time to educate and entertain you.
we will see you soon. Bye everyone!